A colossal figure steps away from the pristine whites of Test cricket. Virat Kohli, the king, the run machine, the embodiment of cricketing passion, has announced his retirement from the game's longest and most revered format. The roar of the crowds will echo a little softer, and the intensity on the field will dim slightly as one of modern cricket's titans hangs up his Test boots. For 14 glorious years, Kohli didn't just play Test cricket, he conquered it. He amassed a staggering 9,230 runs across 123 matches, a testament to his unwavering dedication and insatiable hunger for runs. His blade, a magician's wand, carved out these runs at a formidable average of 46.85. Think about that for a minute. Nearly 50 runs every time he walked to the crease, a benchmark of consistency in a format that tests technique and temperament like no other. He stands tall as India's fourth highest run getter in Test history, his name etched alongside a pantheon of greats, Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid and Sunil Gavaskar. But Kohli's impact transcended mere statistics. He wasn't just a batsman, he was a leader, a general who marshalled his troops with fire in his belly. Taking the reins in 2014, Kohli led India in a remarkable 68 Test matches, the most by any Indian captain. And what a reign it was. He sculpted a formidable unit that tasted victory 40 times, drawing 11 and losing just 17. This translates to an astounding win percentage of 58.82, making him India's most successful red ball captain ever. Under his audacious leadership, India achieved the unprecedented, a historic Test series victory in Australia in 2019, a peak that cricket fans will cherish forever. Ironically, his final Test match unfolded earlier this year on Australian soil in Sydney during the Border Gavaskar Trophy, a series that unfortunately saw the host triumph. This decision follows his recent retirement from T20 internationals, a format he departed from as a World Cup champion in 2024. The cricketing landscape shifts, as Rohit Sharma also recently announced his Test retirement, paving the way for a new era, with Shubman Gill emerging as a strong contender for captaincy. Kohli's departure now leaves a significant void in India's middle order as the team prepares for a challenging 5-match Test series in England next month. The 36-year-old champion, ever the honest evaluator of his own game, acknowledged a recent dip in his usually stellar consistency. His last tour to Australia, where he scored 190 runs in 9 innings, including a solitary century, weighed heavily on him. As he once candidly shared, and I quote, "If you ask me the intensity of how disappointed I felt, for me, the most recent Australia tour would be the one that's most fresh. So it might feel the most intense to me," end quote. He had previously spoken of the 2014 England tour bothering him, but the final Australian visit seemed to signal a turning point, a quiet acknowledgement that perhaps the rigours of another 4-year Test cycle down under might be a bridge too far. Virat Kohli's Test career has been a saga of grit, unparalleled skill and an unyielding desire to win. He played with his heart on his sleeve, inspiring a generation and leaving an indelible mark on the fabric of Test cricket. As he walks into the sunset of his Test journey, the cricketing world salutes a true warrior, a modern master and a player who gave his all to the 5-day game. The legacy of Virat Kohli, the Test cricketer, will endure.